Hi, Jackie Van Ruler here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about getting better and more restful sleep. Now, sleep can be inhibited by many things in your life. It can be inhibited by your day, stress, the diet that you eat, medications that you're on. Just everything that goes on in your life can affect your sleep. But sleep is one of the most important things for having a healthy life, for improving your mood, because it's when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself. So if you're not getting good sleep, everything in your life is going to be a little bit harder. And if you just get less sleep for one night, you know how hard it is that next day to find energy and to feel good. So imagine if you're not getting it regularly. It can really affect everything in your life, from how you feel to your mood to your relationships. And so this formula is designed to help you get that better sleep. Now, there are so many things that can affect that, as I said. So this is designed to get most of those things. If you have something specific, you may be looking for other videos to really help those specific health concerns that you have, but this is one that's a little bit more general. So we're going to start on here with point 300. And if you have signed up for my email list, you will get this face map delivered right into your inbox. If not, make sure that you go to my website, sign up for my email list so that you can get those delivered right to you. And you can just sign up for my free Love Your Face, Love Your Life program, and that will put you on my email list. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, and I know that this is probably a mirror image. So left-hand side, in line with the corner of your mouth, move all the way up to your forehead, and then down just a little bit. You'll probably feel a spot that either feels a little hard, lumpy or bumpy, or even like more boggy. You want to activate this point for about 5 to 15 seconds. This is your left kidney point, the origin of water in your body, and your kidneys are your body's battery. So when your kidneys are nice and rejuvenated, you'll have plenty of energy, focus, motivation, and concentration. In this video, I am going to be using these little Salon Paws pain relieving patches. If you are going to use these, make sure that you're using the ones that do not contain lidocaine. And you'll take the patch and cut them into little squares about that big or even smaller. Now these are very activating points, and they're going to activate those points for longer. Some people can be really sensitive to them, and you may actually have more of a stimulating effect instead of a relaxing effect. So you'll just have to play with that and see what works for you. Next point we're going to do is point 124, which is halfway between the brow and the forehead, and about 2/3 of the way over from the brow. Now on the right hand side, I have a little bit of a dot there that just marks the spot for me. This is a point that's good for relaxation, for sedation, decreasing pain, and on the right hand side, it's going to have to do with the gallbladder. This point you can hit by going back and forth. You can do little figure eights. You can just do circles around the spot, whatever works for you. And again, I'm going to put a little patch on there. Now you can just put patches on the spots that you really feel. You cannot use patches at all. This will still be very effective without them. And you might just have to play with whether the patches are more relaxing or stimulating for you. If they are stimulating, you might want to do the points without the patches. As I do this on the left-hand side, I'm going to be activating the spleen. And the spleen is really good for grounding and reducing anxiety. So if you're finding that you can't sleep because your mind is going, you can't shut it off, this is a really great point to work. Next, we're going to work 34, which is right on this inside of the brow. And this is a paired point with 124, which means that they work better together. So 124 and 34 are really good spots for relaxation, for bringing that sedative effect to your body. So great to do right before you're going to bed. You can even just activate these with your fingers if you want to in bed. And it's also really great for children. If you're doing these points on children, just use your fingers to activate them. On the other side, these points are also really good for the shoulders, so helping to reduce shoulder pain and tension. Again, just stimulating each point for about 5 to 15 seconds. Okay, I'm going to patch there. Okay. Next, we're going to come to the very center of the forehead. And this is a spot for the mind. This helps to calm an overactive mind. So if you find that your mind is going all the time, you can learn to calm it down just by doing this point. Alternatively, you can just tap this point throughout the day just to help to calm that mind, to jog your memory, and things like that. A little patch there. Then I'm going to move down to point 106. This is the third eye, the pineal gland. Pineal gland has to do with melatonin production, circadian rhythms, dreaming, and mystical experiences. So this is a point that's really, really important for sleep. If your body's not producing enough melatonin, if you have too much screen time, or if you're watching screens, phones, computers, televisions, things like that right before you go to bed, it can really mess up those circadian rhythms. The pineal gland senses light. And also people who are shift workers, people who are working overnights or late into the night, that can really screw up their circadian rhythms. So that would be a good point to work if you're in that situation. Next, right between the eyebrows, this is a point that activates the parasympathetic nervous system. It causes a relaxation effect in your body. Really great point to work together with 124 and 34 to just enhance that deeper state of relaxation and to turn down the brain and the mind. Next, we're going to come to the outside of the nasal bone on either side of the nose. This is good for opening up the nasal passageways and encouraging nasal breathing instead of mouth breathing. This is going to help with clearing the sinuses and getting plenty of oxygen into your brain and into your body. This is also a pair point with 16, which is right at where the top of the ear meets the face, right in here. So I like to come from here, go underneath the cheekbones, and just go back and forth a few times. This activates the bottom of the lungs, encourages great oxygenation for your skin and your whole body, encourages deeper breathing, and then coming up to this point right where the ear meets the face. This point is great for decreasing eye tension and decreasing shoulder tension. And then along with point 16 or 61, which is right here, it's going to help clear the nasal passageways and allow for better oxygenation. Definitely want to get good oxygenation to our body and our brain while we're sleeping, allowing everything to heal and repair itself. So other side, right on the front of that nasal bone, up and down a few times, coming under the cheekbones, all the way up to 16, where the top of the ear matches the face. See if I can move my hair out of the way so you can see that. Taking some deep breaths while you're doing this. This should be a very relaxing move. Getting lots of oxygen into your nose, all the way down into your lungs, relaxing the shoulders, and even reducing eye tension, particularly if you spend a lot of time on your phone, on your computer, watching TV during the day. It'd be a really great point for you to just relax and help to heal those eyes. All right, next points we're going to do are point 3. This is going to be kind of on the middle of the cheeks, directly under the iris of the eye. Point 3 is for the lungs. And the lungs are the organs that repair and rejuvenate itself between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. So if you find that you're waking up between 3 and 5 a.m., you want to spend some extra time working the lungs. That just means that your lungs are needing a little extra love and attention. Work that on the other side. Again, about halfway up the cheeks, directly under the iris of the eye. Just doing little circles in that area, and you can support the skin if your skin's moving too much. And again, putting that sticker on it if you are using them. Note that you do not have to use these stickers. I'm just using them for a little extra oomph, a little extra effect. Okay. Next, we're going to use point 50 on the right-hand side. This is a point for the liver. The liver rejuvenates and repairs itself between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. So if you are waking up between those times, you're definitely going to give the liver some extra love. So under the nose, directly under the iris of the eye, so just a little bit lower than that lung point. Coming in here only on the right-hand side. Almost all of the points are either bilateral or midline, except the liver and gallbladder are only on the right, and the stomach and the spleen are only on the left. A lot of people do wake up between that 1 and 3 a.m. and they don't really realize that that's a time that the liver is rejuvenating and repairing itself. Okay, next we're going to come in and work the very center of the chin. This is a point for the bladder. How many of you get up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom? Probably most of you at some point. And you can actually learn to train your body not to do that, and this is one of the points that you will use, the bladder point. I've had so many people that used to get up at like 3 or 4 times even during the night, and they've gone to only getting up once or even no times at all as they're doing this work. So it can be done. And then to the side, on the other side of the chin, we're going to get point 51, and this is a point for bringing energy from your head into your body. If your head is constantly going, you're thinking, it can cause insomnia because you are not able to just rest and relax. So this point helps to bring that energy downward and help you relax and fall asleep better. It's also a great point when you have headaches. And you're going to do that on the other side. Take a deep breath and relax while you're doing this. You can always slow down. We tend to do things way too fast. So make sure that you're not moving too fast. Slow down. This should be a relaxing, mindful practice. And then the last point we're going to do is the point underneath the lower eye right in this area. And this point helps to give the other points an extra oomph. It improves your circulation, decreases anxiety, and improves oxygenation to all of the cells of your body. Remember, the more oxygenation we have, the better our cells are able to perform their functions and do what they're meant to do. So I'm feeling it right in here. So I'm going to put that little sticker on. This point is also really great if you have sleep apnea or you snore. Helps to improve those conditions. And just taking that deep breath. This point feels so good. Let's work this whole area in here. Taking some deep breaths while you're doing it. And again, putting the little sticker on if you are using those. If you use the stickers and you find that you're actually getting worse sleep, you feel more energized, then just try this without the stickers the next time you do it. Then we're going to finish up by working up and down the front side of the ear or coming down the front side of the ear and doing circles. This enhances the kidneys, it sets the formula in and helps it to work better and longer. And it also improves lymphatic drainage through your face and neck. Lymphatic drainage is good for cleaning your body from the inside out and also improving your immune system. So you don't ever want to skip this step. And the other side. Again, if you're not already signed up for my email list, make sure that you do that by going to my website, JackieVanWiller.com, signing up for my Love Your Life, or Love Your Face, Love Your Life library. This is a free library of videos that you can use. They do come with the face map with each one, so you can print those out, put them in a little 3-ring binder, or just keep them on your device so you can look them up whenever you need them. And if you need to get a magic wand or a detector, you can also find those on my website. This is probably going to be one of the better tools you can have for your overall health and well-being, as well as, of course, for the beauty effects as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following along. Please pass this on to anybody who can use it today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.